So here's another equation involving a log, and this time it's a natural log. So remember, natural logs are logs to the base e. So remember, just write that down here so that you reinforce it again a little bit. Natural logs, ln, is equal to log to the base e. Okay, log of some number is equal to the natural log to the base e of whatever the number is. Okay, so what we're going to do, as long as we understand that, we should know what to do. We're going to raise both sides here to become powers of e. So it's going to become e to the power of ln 2x minus 3 is equal to e to the power of 2. Okay, so the e and ln, they will actually cancel. So e and the ln will cancel, and you have 2x minus 3 is equal to e squared. And then you'll want to get the x on its own, so you can bring the 3 across, and that gives you 2x is equal to e squared plus 3. And if we divide both sides by 2, it gives you x is equal to e squared plus 3, all divided by 2. Now the whole thing has to be divided by 2. So there's your precise answer. And if you want an approximation, we can just bring up the calculator, and it's e squared. So second and ln gives you e squared, close the parentheses, plus 3. So that's the top. So press enter at the top and divide by 2. And you get 5.1945. So correct the 3 decimal places, that would be 5.195. So x is approximately equal to 5.195. Okay? And those are your answers. Again, I guess we should check that these answers are positive. So let's do that right now. Your original was ln of 2x minus 3 equals 2. So that would be ln of 2 times x is e squared plus 3 over 2. That was your x, minus 3 equals 2. So ln, let's work out what's in here. And the 2 on top and the 2 on the bottom cancel. And that leaves you with e squared plus 3 minus 3 equals 2. So the log plus 3 minus 3 cancels. That's the log of e squared is equal to 2. And logs and e squareds, logs and e's cancel each other out. So we end up with 2 equals 2, and we didn't have any negative numbers in there to worry about, so that part is fine, and then this is the correct answer. Okay, thanks for watching.